In this video, we're going to look at how to highlight blank cells in a specific range in Excel. In this example here, we have a table that lists the item names in column B and the quantity of those items in column C. The table also contains a number of blank cells, and what we want to do here is to only highlight those cells that are blank. To begin the process, we first need to select the entire data range, which in our example ranges from cell B3 through to C9. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Styles group. This will present you with a number of options, and from this list, select New Rule. This should now display the new Formatting Rule dialog box. And from the Select a Rule Type list, click on this Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Format Values, where this formula is true field, we need to enter in the formula that will identify where the cells are blank. The way we achieve this is through the use of the ISBLANK function. The ISBLANK function will return a value of true if the cell is blank and a value of false if the cell is not blank. So let's go ahead and enter the formula. Equals ISBLANK open bracket. Now the cell reference that we need to put in here is the first cell of the selected range. And in our example, that's B3. So let's go ahead and key in B3 and close the bracket. Next, click on the Format button. This will now display a Format Cells dialog box. And in this example, we only want to highlight the blank cells. So go ahead and click on the Fill tab and then select a color from this list of colors. If you want to select a different color, you can click on the More Colors button. However, for simplicity, we're just going to select this light blue color. And then click on the OK button. This will return you to the new Formatting Rules dialog box, and in there, click on the OK button. And that's it. You can now see that only the blank cells from the selected range have been highlighted. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.